Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with wastewater engineering. So the first question, if size of the sewer or dash, choking problems or less. So if you design the sewer like large or small or big, so whichever may be, the shocking problems need to very small. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, large. Okay, so when the combined sewer system consists of only one sewer, so to carry the both storm water as well as sewage water, so we have to design the large diameter of the sewers, so then only we can reduce the choking problems. Okay, next question, which of the following is a disadvantage with respect to the size of the sewers? Option A, cleaning. Option B, choking problems. Option C, handling and transportation. Option D, economical. The correct answer is option C, handling and transportation. As the combined sewer system consists of single large sewer to carry the sanitary sewage as well as storm water, so it is easy to clean, so it's option A is not a correct answer. Then choking problem also very less, so that is not a problem. Okay, so as the size of sewer is large, it became difficult to handle and transportation, so this is the correct answer. So the option D also, this is the economical one, because we can reduce the number of sewers. Okay, so we can collect all the storm water as well as sanitary sewage into the one pipe. Okay, so this is the economical one, so option C is the correct answer. Next question, in which kind of cities or combined systems are used? Option A, less population. Option B, high population. Option C, high residence. Option D, high storm. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, less population. So if the city has a less population, consists of fewer residents and industrial based city, so the quantity of sanitary sewage is producing is very less, so the less population having the combined sewage systems. Okay, next question, the treatment is costly in which of the following system? Option A, combined. Option B, separate. Option C, direct. And option D, partial. So the correct answer is option A, combined system. Even though the combined system having the storm water as well as sanitary sewage, the quantity of water collected is high, so treatment cost also very high. Next question, the process that involves connecting the pipelines and sewer appurtenance to transport waste to sewage treatment center is called option A, connecting pipelines. Option B, pipeline deconstructions. Option C, sewer construction. Option D, sewage construction. The correct answer is option C, sewer constructions. Next question, sewer systems can also be referred as option A, sewage, option B, sewerage, option C, storm, option D, wastewater. The correct answer is option B, sewerage. Next question, on which of the factors mentioned below the type of sewer installed does not depends upon? Option A, usage pattern. Option B, terrain. Option C, location. Option D, stormwater. The correct answer is option D, stormwater. So the stormwater will not act as a distinctive factor for the installation of sewer system. The type of sewer installed depends upon the terrain, usage pattern and location. So option D is the correct answer. Next question, dash is required to transport stormwater runoff from roofs, parking lots, streets and a highway to the point of discharge. Option A, sanitary sewers. Option B, storm sewers. Option C, wastewater sewers. Option D, water sewers. The correct answer is option B, storm sewers. Next question, which of the following factor mentioned below marks essential for planning sewer systems of the community? Option A, usage pattern. Option B, terrain. Option C, location. Option D, wastewater flow. The correct answer is option D, wastewater flow. So the planning is needed when they're designing the sewer networks. Calculating the wastewater flow for the community is most essential factor, and also the calculation of wastewater flow shows the size of the sewer to be considered. Next question, the abbreviation of SUE is option A, subsurface utility engineering, option B, surface utility engineering, option C, storm usage engineering, option D, storm utility engineering. The correct answer is option A, subsurface utility engineering. Next question, which of these is the most common pipeline installation method? Option A, trench sewer construction. Option B, storm sewerage construction. Option C, pipeline construction. Option D, tunnel construction. So the correct answer is option A, trench sewer construction. Next question, which of the wastewater treatment process for treating wastewater or industrial wastewater using aeration and biological flocculation is called? Option A, activate sludge process. Option B, aeration. Option C, biological aeration. Option D, anaerobic digestion. So the correct answer is option A, active sludge process. So this is one of the sewer wastewater treatment process, the biological treatment known as the activated sludge process. Wastewater is agitated and aerated to remove the solids, and oxidation methods are introduced to active decomposition. So the active sludge process is the most efficient method. Next question, what is the abbreviation of SSMP? Option A, Storm and Sewage Management Plan. Option B, Sewer System Management Plan. Option C, Soil and Storm Management Plan. Option D, Storm System Management Plan. The correct answer is option B, Sewer System Management Plan. Next question, for which of the following reason SSMP is not used? Option A, minimizing sanitary sewer overflows. Option B, minimizing infiltration or inflow. Option C, reducing sewer size. Option D, maintaining the condition of the collection system. The correct answer is option C, reducing the sewer size. Next question, the legal entity that is responsible for the wastewater collection system is called option A, collection system agency. Option B, sewer system agency. Option C, water collection agency. Option D, storm collection agency. The correct answer is option B, sewer system agency. Next question, SORP stands for option A, Storm Overflow Response Plan. Option B, Sewer Overflow Response Plan. Option C, Sanitary Overflow Response Plan. Option D, Sewage Overflow Response Plan. The correct answer is option B, Sewer Overflow Response Plan. Next question, what are the structures that are constructed at the suitable intervals along the sewerage system is called? Option A, manholes. Option B, catch basins. Option C, pumps. Option D, sewer appurtenance. The correct answer is option D, sewer appurtenance. So the manholes, catch basins, pumps, these are all come under the sewer appurtenance. So sewer appurtenance are the structure that are constructed at the suitable intervals along the sewer system, that include structures such as manholes, drop manholes, slam holes, cleanouts, catch basins, etc. So the sewer appurtenance is the correct answer. Next question, a masonry or RCC chamber constructed at the suitable intervals along the sewer lines for the providing access into them is called option A, inverted siphons. Option B, manholes. Option C, flushing intakes. Option D, cleanouts. The correct answer is option B, manhole. In the previous question also we saw the same thing. The masonry or RCC chamber that is used for cleaning or access the sewer, that is called manholes. Okay, so the man or any laborers going into the sewers and make the some repair works or necessary works. Okay, so there's a manhole is the correct answer. Next question, what is the spacing of manhole for the diameter of greater than 2 meter? Option A, 90 to 150 meter. Option B, 150 to 200 meters. Option C, 300 meter. Option D, 45 to 90 meter. The correct answer is option C, 300 meter. So for the smaller sewers that are pipe diameter less than 0.9 meter, the spacing is given between the manhole is 45 meter. So if that pipe diameter is less than 0.9 meter, so that 45 meter is the correct answer. In case the pipe diameter of the sewer greater than 2 meter, so okay, so here they are asking about 2 meter, so the 300 meter spacing is the correct answer. Next question, what is the manhole having the depth greater than 1.5 meters called? Option A, normal manhole. Option B, deep manhole. option C shallow manhole, option D straight manhole. So the manhole having the depth of 0.7 to 0.9, that is called shallow manholes. Okay, then the manhole having the depth of 1.5 meters called normal manhole. The manhole having the depth of greater than 1.5 is called deep manhole. Okay, so here they are asking about having the depth of greater than 1.5 meter. So the option B deep manhole is the correct answer. Next question, what is a sewer that runs full under gravity flow at the pressure above the atmosphere in the sewer called? Option A flushing manhole, option B inverter siphon, option C siphon, option D curb inlet. The correct answer is option B inverter siphon is the correct answer. Next question, what is the facility provided to stop the entry of heavy debris present in the stormwater into the sewers called? Option A curb inlet, option B gutter inlet, option C catch basins, option D clean out. So the correct answer is option C catch basin. So the curb inlet is the vertical opening in the road curbs through the which stormwater flow enters through the stormwater drain. So this is not a correct answer. Then gutter inlet is the horizontal opening the gutter which is covered by one or more grating through which stormwater is admitted. So the gutter inlet no, is not a correct answer. Then clean out pipe is which is connected to the underground sewer. So the clean out also not correct. So the catch basin is the correct answer. So this is the structure is prevent the large size debris stop entry of the sewers. Next question, what is the arrangement for diverting excess sewage from the combined sewer called? Option A siphon spillway, option B siphon gateway, option C lapping weir, option D intercepting sewer. So the correct answer is option A siphon spillway. So the overflow channel is connected in the combined sewer through the siphon at the crest level of the siphon, and the air pipe is provided to activate the siphon when water will reach the combined sewer system at the stipulated level, and so that is called siphon spillway. Next question, what is the internal dimension of the sewer depth less than 0.9 meter? Option A 1.5 meter, option B 1.8 meter, option C 0.9 to 0.8 meter, option D 1.2 meter. So the correct answer is option C 0.9 meter to 0.8 meter. So next question, an apparatus for raising, driving or compressing fluids or gases is called? Option A piston, option B pump, option C compressor, option D force drive. The correct answer is option B pump. So the pump is the device used to transfer the force, the liquid or gas against the gravity. So the option B is the correct answer. So again we will see next video. Thank you.